Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made this cute sundae using clear plastic ornaments. I got this at my local craft store, Hobby Lobby. I got these for half price and they come 4 in a pack. The first thing I did was to paint it in white. I use Waverly chalk paint for this. Now if you don't have chalk paint, you can use other type of paint, but make sure that it's dry completely before you apply your second coat of paint. The first coat of paint, I apply it in bouncing motions. And after the first coat of paint, it doesn't matter if you apply it in this way. Now I'm going to add this wood bead resembling a cherry on top of the sundae, and I'm painting it in red using this color called Bright Red by Apple Barrel. And I'm using this bamboo stick to hold it so I don't make a mess, and I'm gonna let it dry here in my clear plastic cup while I'm gluing the ornament to the sundae bowl right here. Now, I am going to use this caulk to resemble the whipped cream on the sundae and all these cute glass beads to resemble the sprinkles. Let me show you. If you want, you can use the real sprinkles, but I decided to just use the fake ones, the make-believe ones. Now I'm preparing the caulk. I'm using this dessert applicator. Of course, after this application, I'm not going to use this for food purposes. I decided to just use it for this and keep it in my craft room. And it's so perfect. Look at this. Now all I need to do is push it and it's going to create this cute design. And it's going to be easy for me to apply it, to make pretend that it's frosty, to decorate the sundae or whipped cream. Now, to make sure that this doesn't dry, I'm going to cover it with a paper towel and I am going to put it in a plastic bag until I need to use it again. Now I'm adding glue to the bottom of the ornament. Now, all around here it's going to be the caulk, and this is going to be used as glue as well as decoration when it dries. So I'm going all around, applying this cute design all around. Let me show you. I think it's cute. Now it's time to add the make-believe sprinkles, and I'm going to mix them all in a little container so I can apply it and pour it on top of my fake sundae all at once. Now this part is a little bit tricky. I try my best to just put it on top, but it was not sticking, so I kind of had to do one by one in some of them, especially the bigger ones. You'll see what I mean. Take your time with this process, just enjoy it, have fun. It requires a little bit of patience, but at the end it's worth it because it's going to be so cute and it's going to be something so nice to use as a decorative piece on your table. Now flipping it upside down to see what didn't stick, and realizing that I'm going to be adding in those spaces more of the make-believe whipped cream. In that way, I can add more make-believe sprinkles and they will stick to the ornament better. At the end, this is going to be beautiful as an accent decoration at your dessert table for the holidays. Imagine you can place this at your hot chocolate table and it's just going to make it more fun and festive. And for the final touch, I glue the cherry on top of the sundae. It came out so beautiful. I love it. Let me show you the next one. I apply Waverly chalk paint to this plastic ornament as well in bouncing motions as I mentioned before. This way the paint adheres better. And if you don't have chalk paint, you can use any other type of paint. Just make sure that it dries completely before the second coat of paint. The second coat of paint, I used this burnt amber color, and I want to resemble chocolate ice cream instead of vanilla in this case. So I'm applying another coat of paint. After, I'm going to glue the ornament into the sundae bowl, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to add make-believe sprinkles and use the caulk as a whipped cream on my sundae, and the cherry on top of the sundae as well, painting the wood bead using this bamboo stick to hold it better and try to avoid the mess. Using hot glue to glue the ornament to the sundae bowl, making sure that it's secure. Now I'm going to add whipped cream, but in this case I'm going to be using my acrylic pen to draw it and then adding the paint on top. I'm using Waverly chalk paint white. And I'm going to use the decorative applicator with the make-believe whipped cream all around. Using hot glue to add the cherry on top and add the make-believe sprinkles all around as well. And this is the part that you need a little bit of patience because sometimes they stick to the caulk, but sometimes you have to put them individually. Most of the time, I will say I had to put them individually. Now, I decided to use Mod Podge for the top. So I'm going to apply a little bit on the top. And it's going to serve as a protective coat and as a glue to the make-believe sprinkles. So I go around and place them as I wish. What do you think? I think they both turned out so beautiful. Until next time, goodbye.